Today I'm coming at you from the LG Smart Cottage Display Center here in South Korea, and the reason that I'm here, you might have guessed it, is to show you the LG Smart Cottages. Now, most people have heard of the Duo Max and they've heard of the Duo Plus. However, one that kind of slipped under the radar for me is the kid brother to those models, and that's the Mono Max that I'm going to be showing you today. All the same features in a smaller package. So let's go check it out. The biggest difference between these two models, and you can see it quite clearly in this shot, Duo Max, 2 stories, Mono Max, 1 story. Obviously, not everyone needs the amount of space that's found in the Duo Max, and the Mono Max is going to be a better fit. We're looking at about 33 feet of length here, just over 10 feet wide. We've got the steel siding here. The roof has solar panels. The roof is solar panels, I should say, and they've got the steel shutters on both the entrance and this window here for a little bit of extra security. I'm just going to move this to this side for your viewing pleasure. Now, I got to mention, Cuts Clothing hooked it up for everyone watching this video. I'm wearing this shirt. I always wear these shirts, and they're giving 20% off to anyone who wants one if you use code CARRY at checkout. I'll put the link below in the description. All right, so the biggest thing I want to do for this one is, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to get behind the camera, I'm going to tour around, and then we'll go inside and talk about what they've got going in the Mono Max, because it's a cool home. Starting at the front of the Mono Max 26, I like the look of this model because it's kind of got a tiered roof. They've got the first level there, and then they've got the higher section up above, and I think it looks good. So what I should note, because I know people are going to be wondering, and if they missed the first video, or maybe I'll post this first, I'm not sure, you may not know that even though this is in South Korea and even though they aren't available in the United States just yet, I have been told that they're thinking about expanding into the United States. So that's something that we will be seeing down the road if all goes well. On the end of the home, you've got a window right there. That is into the bed section. They've got a light on each end right under the cameras. And as I come back around the front, you'll get a look at the patio door as well as the window there. So this accordion style security mechanism will slide all the way across, and that just does give a little bit of extra security for people who are looking for a little bit of extra security. Coming around this side, they've got the utilities accessible from the outside of the home. Behind door number 1 is the 200-liter hot water tank there. And then heating and cooling is all right in here. As I mentioned, the roof is solar panels, so that's all coming into there. And if there's room, I'll think about going down this entire side. Why not? Let's do it. So they've got one window here. This is a good look at the steel siding. This is into the backsplash of the kitchen. So a little different layout than the Duo Max 45 in the Mono Max. So I think we will go inside and check it out. I know you've seen this spot already, but it's where we are, okay? So they've got the covered entrance here with the light up above. Here's the doorbell that I was telling you about. So that gives you a little control over the door. They've got an app for this home that controls pretty much anything you want to control remotely, which is great. So right by the door, they've got all the switches. The lights are already on in here, but this is the welcome button. So if I were to hit that, if the blinds were down, that would send them all up and get it ready for me to live in, I guess you could say. Just like the Duo Max, they've got the washer dryer right by the front door, and that's pretty much where things end as far as similarities go, because this layout is completely different, being 1 story. So from the laundry area, we go right into the kitchen. They've got the fridge here with the refrigerator up top, and the freezer down below. Beside that, this is a pull-out shelf here. Let's get a look at that actually. So 2 shelves there. I'm gonna put my sunglasses down. Up above, we've got we've got 3 sets of cabinets, induction cooktop. Everything as far as appliances go in this home are LG. So LG induction cooktop. We've got an LG dishwasher, washer, dryer, fridge, you name it, they're all LG, which makes sense because we are in the LG Smart Cottage. Now, over here, this is a closet basically. So this is a place you can hang up your clothes when you're not wearing them. And down below, a couple shelves there for whatever you need a couple shelves for. Under the cooktop is the microwave, which comes included in the price. And down below, we have got the drawer for pots and pans or whatever you want. So if you saw the other video in the Duomax, this kitchen is very similar. The biggest difference is the location in the home. What I like about these kitchens is they have the window backsplash. I've been a fan of it. It seems to be more popular lately. This side opens, just brings more natural light into the home, and instead of having tile or something, you can actually see outside, which who doesn't want to see outside? I do. Now, at the end of the home, this is the bedroom section, or the sleeping sections, because it's not really a proper bedroom, but they don't have a mattress on right now. What we do have is a little bit of storage under the bed there, and again over here. They've got a place to charge your stuff. Different outlets over here in South Korea, which I should have known, but didn't plan for. So away she goes. Up above, we've got some recessed lighting there and some windows up top. Looking back towards the living room, they've got this TV, again included in the price, and it is movable. Oh man, I almost knocked that over. That's why I don't move stuff. So you can drag that back, set it wherever you want to watch TV, and away you go. This door here opens out to the patio, and one of the tech features is on the app you can see whether the window or door, sorry, is open or closed. You just have to open the app, go to that section and check it. So some of the smart features included in the LG Smart Cottage are the blinds. So same thing, you can control it in the home. I can't read Korean, but I think this is probably the blinds. It is not. So there, yeah, it was. I just didn't push it hard enough. There they go. So you can do that manually, or you can do it from the app, and it actually is quite precise. So from the app, I could go right to, say, 53% down, if that's what I want, how far I wanted to put them down for when I arrived home, and they would be waiting there when I got here. The last space in this home, oh no, not quite. We've got a little more storage here. So there's the vacuum, also included, and up above, a little bit more storage. Heading into the bathroom, we've got a full tile bathroom. There's a look at the vanity with a mirror up above. Corner shower here with the removable shower head. And of course, you gotta have one of these. The toilet is in the corner here. So lots of different fun options for the bidet, and I think seat temperature or water temperature on that. Pretty cool. You might be wondering at this point, how much does something like this cost? Well, let's get into it. There you have it, folks. The MonoMax 26 from LG Smart Cottage. Base price on this home is $210,000, and I got that by taking the Korean price and converting it directly across with Google to USD. So that's going to fluctuate, and when they arrive into the United States, expect a completely different price because they're going to be wider, they're going to be longer. So this is really just a place to start. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here in Gimji, South Korea. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.